So here at Whitriggs we have now got 350 breeding hinds that are currently at the rut. We have built this up from a new enterprise in 2018, July 2018 the first deer arrived. It's been quite a journey so far. Just recently sold our first full Arctic load of finished deer. The deer are pretty much left to it throughout the year. Very little intervention at all. Even the breeding stock never get any wormers or vaccinations at all. It's only the young stock that get a wormer once. So for the deer it's pretty straightforward for them to be organic. Grazing wise, they're set stocked twice a year at calving time and at the rut. Other times of the year we can bunch them up a bit and move them round, and the finishing stock get a lot of red clover to finish them. And during the winter they're also strip grazed and bale grazed with an electric fence every day. Moved 4 or 5 metres a day. Their bodies naturally shut down in the winter, so they only ever eat enough to maintain their body. What they eat is only enough to keep themselves going throughout the winter, and then when the better grass comes in the summer, they grow again. Calving wise, calving probably about 90%. When we scan them, we calve about 96%, 97%, and then obviously at calving time you lose a handful, but they're left to it. We don't go in the field. You'd probably have more hassle than what you would save. They're quite protective and they know exactly where their calf is, whereas we would never really find the problem. They'd go away and hide, and it's just left nature to do its thing, and it's a good way of only keeping the very best deer, and saves problems later on in the future as well. Yeah, we now have about 280 acres, whatever that is in hectares, fenced off for deer. There's a laneway joins every single paddock from basically the hill back into the handling system and between every field. So when it comes to moving the deer, they follow the snacker. It is the only reason they ever get fed is so they know to follow us out the gate. They'll follow the bike, the noise of the bike with a snacker, and then the buggy follows up behind to get the stragglers, and then as soon as they're in the lane they'll go anywhere on the farm to another field without any hassle, even crossing the main road as well. We've built our own deer handling system in the shed, and we've got a corral system for outwintering some of the deer into this wood behind us, and it works really well. We've learned a lot. We've had steep learning curves over the last few years, but it's full steam ahead now.